Welcome to our channel, Vutela Technologies Ltd Eswatini. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing with us, like our video, and please do us a favor by sharing our video with your friends, your loved ones, and all your platforms and social media. By doing such, you'll also be assisting us so that we keep on uploading more strategies on daily basis or regular intervals. So we have some other strategies in our channel. You can also go through them and you will choose the best strategy that suits your trading style. So yes guys, so I'm currently going to share a strategy on how to scalp the boom crash indices, because these indices, they are dangerous to trade because once once a spike has been experienced, another spike can also follow. So they are also simple to trade because once you understand a certain pattern, they most cases respect their patterns. So I have decided to scalp them and develop a certain strategy on how to scalp and boost the equity we already have in trading. So ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to start. So first and foremost, we will add our indicators. We will start with the main chart. From our main chart, we will add what we call the alligator. The alligator, we will use the default settings. Then we will add the SMA, simple moving average. I am sure you are a little bit aware or with the lagging and the leading indicators. So we will also add the SMA, which is 200. The period is 200. That SMA will assist you to detect whether the trend is down or the trend is up. So if the price is above the SMA, it means the trend is up. If the price is below the SMA, it will mean that the price is down. So before I explain further pertaining our strategy today, yes, let us add our indicators into our chart. Then I will explain further on how to analyze and scalp on 1 minute time frame. In most cases, we will use this brand new strategy on 1 minute time frame. Then, and on other instances, if the trend is still moving, you must check from 30, 15, 5 minutes time frame. Then that's where you'll be enlightened that the trend is up or the trend is down. So let's start by adding our indicators. First of all, you will click here, then you go to the main chart. Into our main chart, we'll start with the alligator. The alligator, we will just leave it as it is, because here it is in the default settings. We just click done. Then the alligator will be added. Then we also add the SMA, which is 200. The period we should use 0. Then we'll apply it to close 2 megapixel. You can take any color of your choice. So thereafter, when you are done, you just click done. That's what you're gonna see here. Then we go to window 1. But if you don't have the window 1, indicator window 1, window 2, or whatsoever, you just click on main chart. Then you add RSI. A window will be opened for you. So let us do like this. Yes. So let's modify. Okay, let's open our first window. We will start with the RSI. The period will be 1, and we will also apply it to close. The levels here, we will change. We will use these levels. We will use 30. We will then follow with 70. We will then use 90, and then we will use 10. So the other levels should be eliminated. See, we'll eliminate the other levels, and then we are done. We click done. That is our window 1. Then another thing we should add on our window 1, we have to add the MACD. Window 1, we will have to add our MACD. The MACD, I think we should let it run with the default settings too. We can change the colors, but I just like my colors as they are, so we click done also on the MACD. Thereafter, we click the frequency button again. We will add indicator window 2. If you don't have indicator window 2, just click the cross on the main. You see the main chart. The icon on the top left corner of my current gadget, below that bin, there is this F icon. Just click that small cross, then you add the RSI. Another window will be opened on your chart. Let's focus on the indicator window 2. We will start with the RSI. From our RSI, we will modify the levels. We will start with level number 30. Then we follow with level 70. Then we will add level 90. After 90, we add the buying level, which is in this case level number 10. Then we will eliminate the other spaces for accuracy and simplicity. So when we are done, we click done. That's what we're gonna see on our window, indicator window 2. Then we click frequency, which is the F. Then we will add an alligator. So let me remove these indicators here. Yes, I think now you can see clearly. This is our indicator window 2. So click frequency. We click the small cross here. Then we have to add our alligator. We'll start with our alligator. Then we will then add the awesome oscillator. We will then add our awesome oscillator. So let's start with our alligator. It is also a good option that we leave our alligator as it is, like we apply the default settings. We click done. Thereafter, we will also add what we call the awesome oscillator from our indicators. So the awesome oscillator, we will leave it as it is. What we're gonna do, we will increase the pixels for visibility, then we click done. So that's how it gonna it should appear on your list. Guys, this is a scalping strategy. We have to apply this strategy only on a small 1 minute time frame. At all instances, we apply this strategy on the 1 minute time frame. So here I'll be explaining further on how to apply this strategy, or when you want to attempt placing a buy or a sell on the boom or the crash indices. So let's take the boom 1000. Yes, let's take the boom 1000. Here it is. So when we are trading the boom 1000, our main focus, it should be on the alligator. Let's start at the bottom, which is our second window in the chart, our window 2. So we'll focus mainly on the alligator. Yes, so here what we're gonna observe, it is the crossing of the green line, the green indicator on top. You see, we will focus more on the crossing of this indicator window, the green one. So if it crosses the other lines, it means that is a clean sell. So when we are focusing at the bottom of the chart, the alligator should be below the 90% level, which is in this case is the overbought level, below the 90%. When the green line crosses the two, which is a red and purple line in my case, and also we need at least one, we will need a second signal to okay, let's make it clear. We will need one, we will need two, which is the MACD, we will need three, which is the alligator again, we will need four, which is the awesome oscillator. If let's start at the top. If the green line crosses the other lines, it means it's a good sell. You can place your sell. Secondly, when we look the MACD line, if the MACD line, also the indicator and also on the MACD line crosses the zero, the center, let me say the center, you attempt a sell. And also the below at the last window, when the alligator is at the overbought level, which is the 90% or below the 90%, the green line there should cross the other lines. And also the awesome oscillator should give you the green, it should give you the red signals. that means it's a clean sell. So you take the sell, you should take about, the maximum should be 10 candlesticks on the 1 minute time frame. At most, I used to take at least 7 candlesticks. Yes, so you can scalp, guys, and collect some few pips. So if you go to the crash index, because we started with the boom, if you go to the crash index, this is what we're gonna experience. When we are talking of the crash index, we will focus more on the alligator. The alligator should be at the overbought level, which is this one, should be at the overbought level, and also the MACD indicator should, the lines, they have to cross, the lines should cross, because it's a leading indicator. It will give you the signal earlier. The lines should cross, and also the green line on the alligator should be above the red and the blue line. In that saying, you see the alligators, the oscillators, the green oscillators are also a signal showing you that this is an uptrend. So you observe, you can also go back with our chart. If the alligator, when we're talking of the crash index, if the alligator is overbought, do not take an trade. It should be oversold so that you can take a trade. You see here the candles, if you look at this direction, there are many pips there to be collected. So even if you can go back to the chart, here it's been overbought. Here it has been overbought. You see here it has been overbought. Here that's a signal. You see how many candles here? We can count from here, that is from here up to here. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just 10 candles, guys. Then you are done. We don't take the trade earlier when the candles are still forming. At least you just let at least 4 candles to go by. Thereafter, you take your trade. Then in the middle of the trade, at least 5 to 7 candles or 10 the maximum, you exit that trade. In that way, you'll be able to scalp the boom and crash index. So thank you so much, guys, for your attention, and thank you so much for choosing our channel. This is a brand new strategy. Trust me, you won't regret. Instead, you will find value for scalping, even though majority of the emerging traders, you find that they have a very small capital. Even here, you can also grow your account from as little as $1 or $2 to a very good amount. Do not neglect the humble beginnings. For instance, you have $5. You can, if you place your trade, you make the 30 cents US dollars, you make the 30 cents, 40 cents, just that's a profit. Do that consistently. You'll find that if on weekends when you are bored, you just go and scalp the whole day. You can make something like 20 to 30 US dollars. Then from there, you'll be able to trade the volatility indices and make up your funds. So thank you so much, guys, for your time. Thank you so much for choosing our channel. Please like our video. Do not forget to subscribe, and also click that notification button below so that whenever you're posting new content, you'll be the first one to be alerted, and you will take new strategies and that will help you in your trading career. Thank you so much. Oh, last but not least, for those that are still not yet having their live accounts with the reef.com, we have a link below. Please click that link below to register with the reef.com and start trading as soon as now, because you don't have to upload documents and all the other stuff. Just upload, just register, and you start your journey of trading as early as now. Thank you so much, guys. Have a blessed day. Have a peaceful day. Thank you.